Hello world, Tyler here, and I am in Petrin Park, about to head up to the top of this observation tower, which will get you a good view of all of Prague, Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, the river, and again, pretty much all of Prague. So let's check it out. So we're almost to the top, and I got Prague Castle right behind me, and as you can see, got a few more steps to take until I get to the top of the deck. Got Prague Castle right in front of me, the Charles Bridge down there to the bottom right, and across the river we got Prague Tower and Old Town Square. Here we are in the middle of Prague Castle, and right behind me is the main cathedral that we just checked out. Beautiful cathedral here.
Yes, yes.
Got our first rain of Prague today. It's really coming down here, but we're only 2 blocks from our apartment, so that's a plus.